These little bees have been such a huge hit in the salon lately. And this top coat, yes. Yes, Tammy, this is the best.
We're gonna start with a white base, French white chocolate, right on top of the nail, and then cure it for 60 seconds. Taking a little plate and this little makeup brush, Summertime Splash, just right on top of the plate, probably about that much. And then I'm taking Pink Palms right below it, about that much. Use your makeup brush and just dab it right on top, just like that. Get your cured white polish, just put it right on top like this, and dab, 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 dab. This is going to create a very light ombre, just to kind of add a little bit of color to your background. I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to do it one more time. Go in again with your blue, and again with your pink. Take your makeup brush, right on top again, put it right on top of your cured nail. Cure this for 60 seconds. After that's been cured, take a striper brush, and I'm using Summertime Fine. I just need a little, about that much. Actually, I need to lay down these little bristles, so I'm going to use my thumb for that. There, they're all laid down. I'm going to do the body of the bee. Just making kind of a oval. And then you can cure that. I'm going to use black gel art paint and white gel art paint for the rest of my bee's body and the striper brush. I'm going to start with the black. I'm going to do his little stinger, his butt. Just like that. And then a couple of, you don't want to do straight lines because his body's curved. Little C's, just like that. Take a dotting tool and create his head. Like that. You can take the same dotting tool, do a little teeny tiny dot there, and right there. And basically what we're making is a heart for his little wings. Okay, after that's been cured, I'm going to take my white paint and my dotting tool again. Just a little tiny bit. We're going to make his eye. And I feel like his wings are a little bit wimpy, so I'm going to kind of fluff up his wings a bit. There we go. Okay, I'm adding just a little bit more black to that cured eye. Little teeny tiny, gosh, the smallest. There. Look how cute he is. Okay, you can just freeze this for like 15 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna make a little flower. I'm just creating little petals. Petals don't have to be perfect, because petals aren't perfect. There. I'm gonna take my black. stem, the little leaf. And then I'm going to use that same summertime fine that I did for the bee's body, the center. The cute little, I don't know what that's called, tracer? Just as a fun detail. Cure this for 60 seconds. Iridescent flake in pink red from Tammy Taylor. It's a no wipe gel top coat, so you know how much I love those. Look how cute that is. It's beautiful, I'll show you. I'm just gonna go right on top of this design. And these flakes are so thin, they don't stick up. Great. I feel like you can't see my petals anymore, so I'm gonna fix that. Cure this for 60 seconds. So the white also is tack free. I'm gonna go just right on top of the top coat and it'll be fine. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. This will be really cute. I'm just gonna go right over, make a petal, another petal, make the flower a little bigger because why not? Then I'm gonna take some clear acrylic powder and pour that right on top. And this is going to create like a 3D matte effect. Cure this for 60 seconds. Pretty.
I'm going to finish the design completely by adding those little tracer dots again, except in black because I can't see the white very well. That's cute. One more. Cure this for 60 seconds. These little bees have been such a huge hit in the salon lately. And they're so cute with the little flower and those tracers and this top coat. Yes. Yes, Tammy. This is the best. Thanks for watching.